Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. After you wake up the screen, press the back button again to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called watch settings and tap on it. Here, find the option called watch face, tap on it. And as you can see right here, we can select between the digital and analog. Select the one you like. And now when we go back to the watch face, you should see that it changed to analog one. And if you want to have it on digital, simply retrace these steps. Like this, and change it to the digital one. Like that. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.